everyone. So it was my birthday weekend this weekend, and to celebrate I wanted to do something a little bit different, and in tradition now every year I like to, instead of receive on my birthday, I like to give. So what I've done today is I've come out to Serendipity Farm. It's just outside of Gatton, and it's a really good day out. All the animals that you see here are all rescue animals, and they've been rehomed. So what they're trying to do is do a fundraiser today to sort of help raise some funds so that they can extend, build new fences, new pens, and really take care of the animals in the best way that they possibly can. So I hope you enjoy the footage from today, and yeah, come out and give Serendipity Farm a go one day. Yeah, what happened?
It was a racehorse off the track, and they shot him because he wasn't running any races. And he escaped, and then the doggers got him, and then a guy that I know, a dealer, bought him from the doggers, and then phoned me and said, I've got a really good horse if you want him. How he got from, you're not having coke, how he got from being shot to the doggers, we don't know that part of the story, but yeah, that's the bullet hole.
Wow, it's amazing. Serendipity Farm is a registered not-for-profit organisation that rescues, rehabilitates and often rehomes neglected and abused and unwanted animals, and the team do an amazing job. Every animal at Serendipity has a story, and most have not had a very good start to life, but you can help by donating today and give all these beautiful creatures a forever home, and in turn will allow their stories to have a happy ending. To donate, visit www.serendipityfarm.org.au.